Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So let's try and use a soundboard in Roblox. The first thing we want to do right now is make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Now let us side as of now and look for Google. Now when you're in here, type in the word voice mod, and the first result should be this one. Open it up, and as you can see, this is going to be applicable for Windows 10, 11, and macOS. So simply install this one, and it should be looking like this. So after installing and setting it up, this is what it should look like. Inside voice mode, you can see these features. Right now, I turned it off just for discussion purposes. Well, anyway, once that's settled, set it aside for now and look for Roblox one more time. So once inside Roblox, choose this one, the mic tap server. Opening it up right there, open Roblox right now, because we need to check if it's working, and I'm going to teach you how to fix it. So once you're inside the server, as you can see right here, on the upper left section, click on the settings option and look for the one that says input device. As of now, I have output, so restart your Roblox if you can see input. Anyway, if you see input right now, just choose voice mod. Alright? And that should do it.